In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to find your navigation routes easily. To do that, just open your browser, open a new tab and search for Kurviger and click on enter. When it opens, this first link, Kurviger, click on it. So you can change your language to English, for example. Then this is the interface of the site. If you want to find your routes between two locations, maybe you are traveling from one point to another and you want to know the location, so come to here. This is start. Type where you want to start. In this case, I want to start at Gwagwalada. This is Gwagwalada, and my destination, the place I'm going, let's say Gwanripa. For example. Yes, this is it. Immediately it will create your route. This is it, between Gwagwalada, this is my starting point, and this is my destination, Gwanripa. You can see the routes created, and if you come here, you can see the distance. The total distance between Gwagwalada and Gwanripa is about 50.9 kilometers, and it will take 1 hour 4 minutes to reach there. Furthermore, if you want to see the profile of the journey, just click on this icon. You can see the profile. This is the starting point at 0 kilometer, and as you are moving, you can see the profile of the terrain up to your destination, in this case Gwagwalada. So this is how to easily find your routes between your starting point and end point. In case we are traveling, I want to see the routes between 2 points. This is how to find it easily in Kurviger. Thank you for watching.